The Oahu O-O, with its striking black and yellow plumage, once filled the forests of Oahu with its melodious calls. Feeding primarily on nectar, this bird played a vital role in pollinating native Hawaiian plants, helping maintain the island's ecosystem. With its slightly curved bill and powerful wings, the Oahu O-O was an efficient pollinator and a key player in the health of Oahu's forests. But in the late 19th century, deforestation and diseases carried by invasive species led to the bird's rapid decline. By the late 1800s, the Oahu O-O was extinct, another victim of human impact on Hawaii's fragile ecosystems.